Network marketing is you deciding to get involved with a company, getting on their product or their service every single month, and at the end of the year, counterbalancing that by leveraging the tax laws. That's all network marketing is. Again, I'm going to explain it. It's you deciding to get involved with a company. You purchase their product every single month, and at the end of the year, you leverage those tax laws to offset the overhead or the cost of what you spent every single month on their product or service. For the company itself, network marketing is brilliant because they save money on the back end. If instead of spending hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars a year up front on advertising their product to get a return on investment that's usually around 1% to 3%, what they do is they leverage the people who get involved with it, and they wind up getting 100% return on investment because there was nothing put up front. Everything they bring in is pure profit. It's a brilliant business model. Let's flip the switch really fast from looking at a consumer mindset into a business owner, because the two top complaints for network marketers